English learning tips for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Learning English may look difficult in the beginning, but trust me, it is very easy if you follow simple steps every day. In today's video, I will help beginners learn English in a simple and practical way. So, let's get started. First step is start with basic words. Don't try to learn difficult vocabulary in the beginning. Start with simple daily words like water, food, mother, father, friend, school. Speak these words loudly. Yes, loudly, because speaking is very important. Don't feel shy. Everyone starts from zero. Now, the second step is make simple sentences. Once you learn some words, start making small sentences. For example, I drink water. I go to school. She is my friend. These are very simple sentences, but they will build your confidence. Don't worry about grammar mistakes right now. Just try to speak. Third step is practice speaking daily. This is the most important step. Every day, speak in English for at least 5 to 10 minutes. You can talk about your daily routine. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I go to school. You can also talk about your favorite food, like biryani, or your hobbies. The more you speak, the better you become. Now, the fourth step is listen to English. Start watching English videos, cartoons, or even simple movies. Listen carefully to how people speak. Try to repeat after them. This will improve your pronunciation and listening skills. Fifth step is read simple English. Start reading small stories, school textbooks, or short paragraphs. Reading helps you understand sentence structure and learn new words. Even if you don't understand everything, it's okay. Just keep reading. Next step is learn one new word daily. Every day, learn at least one new word. For example, happy means feeling good. Sad means feeling bad. Then try to use that word in a sentence. This will increase your vocabulary slowly. And now, the most important thing. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Even fluent speakers make mistakes sometimes. So speak confidently. Don't stop yourself just because you think your English is not perfect. Finally, let's conclude. Learning English is not difficult. It just needs daily practice and patience. If you follow these steps every day, you will slowly improve. And one day, you will speak English fluently. So keep practicing, stay confident, and never give up. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more English learning videos.